Hey, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. In this video, you'll learn how to get the latest iOS update on your iPhone quickly and easily, ensuring you have the best experience possible. Many users struggle with the update process, either due to a lack of knowledge or fear of losing data, which can lead to outdated software. This can cause your iPhone to slow down, and you might miss out on exciting new features. Outdated software can also leave your iPhone vulnerable to security risk. It's essential to stay updated, and I'm here to guide you through it. The good news is that updating your iPhone is easier than you think. We'll go through the step-by-step process of checking for updates and installing the latest iOS version on your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and make sure you're on a good Wi-Fi network. To get to the software update, go to Settings and navigate to the General tab. From there, select Software Update, and your iPhone will check for available updates. After selecting the software update, your iPhone will check for available updates, download and install those updates. You'll get to enjoy the latest emojis, new camera features, and improved battery life. As the update downloads and installs, you'll see your iPhone restarting, and before you know it, you'll be running the latest iOS version. To recap, updating your iPhone is essential for security and functionality, and the process is simpler than you might think. If you found this guide helpful and you got value from it, don't forget to like, comment your experience, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. We'll see you in the next video.